We got roots, people. And this, if you did everything correctly, that's what you would get. Here's a tree limb on one of my plum trees that has already sprouted roots. So technically, what I would do next is come and cut this branch off right here. And voila, a whole new tree. Once again, this is a step on how to always have fruit trees. You can do this with most fruit trees, if not all of them, I believe. But here it is, folks. Here it is. Now, mind you, I only do this on the limbs that are like the size of my pinky. Those are ones that are about a year, or close to a year in age. Those ones always sprout the best roots. And here's the proof right here. Like I said, this is a brand new tree. And since this one is coming directly from the mother tree herself, this branch already has it in its mind that it is old enough to start producing and bearing fruit. So right off the get-go, next year, this will produce fruit.